I'm Shawn from Luverne, Minnesota. Our operation's a third-generation family farm. We grow corn, soybeans, alfalfa, and some other cereal crops once in a while. We own a 712 Tile Pro for drainage purposes on our row crop and alfalfa operation. The tile feeder on the Crary Pro really helps with installing the tile, and we've noticed definitely a difference in the tile stretch and stuff when we tee into to the new lines. The Tile Pro definitely handles some of the stony and rock conditions we run into here. So we chose to go with SD Drain. I really like the ability to survey. I like the ability to make adjustments on the fly. That's probably the biggest thing that was different. My other software on my old plow was that I was not able to really make any adjustments in depth, adjustments in target size or things like that I couldn't change them when I was putting the pipe in the ground. And this software allows me to do that. It's easy. It handles the rock. It automatically resets. And there's just a lot of great features of the software we put on our plow. The people we've worked with have been great. They've always treated us well. They've always been back in contact with us. Overall, I think it's just knowing and probably feeling a little bit better about the fact that we are doing a better job of installing tile. We've always been large proponents of tile and have seen the benefits of tile. We had a previous pull type plow, but we needed to do a little better job, and I believe that the Crary Tile Pro allows us to do that. A lot of great features about the Crary plow itself that I like better than what I had. It's an easy plow to put on and take off of my equipment, which helps greatly, and yeah, I would recommend it, absolutely.